They just said 4.
Good. Let him do it. Grab the handles, guys.
Get your handle, buddy.
Here we go, Pasta.
Where am I going? Uh-oh, now I'm going
There go my Lego.
now I'm going to go back.
That was fast, eh? Pasta, sit on your bum. Was that? Oh, was that fun, guys?
Yes! Can we go again?
We can go again, yes. Pasta, lift your legs up. You guys ready? Pasta, hang on to my handle, please. Hang on, let me see. Okay, you're good. Just leave it running now.
Cross your legs, sweetheart. Perfect. Just like that.
Alright? Have fun, okay?
Okay. On your way down, keep those arms crossed and your head back. Perfect, sweetheart.
Push the red button on top, bitch. That water's cold. Yeah. Alright, we'll keep going. Pasta, grab the wall.
I wanted to go that way. It's more sunny. And then it will stop.
Good job, Pasta. Was that better? Go, you're recording.
Oh, good.
On your tummy, Alex.
Oh, gosh, Bumpy's belly.
Look, just lay on your stomach and grab the bar.
You're already catching the sunburn already. Oh, I got this. Oh, that makes sense.
Hang on to the bar.
Matt,
I got him.
he's gonna go. Dad got him.
Alex, look over here. Okay, so I gotta put it up a little higher next time.
To push off. You're gonna lay flat on your stomach. Go ahead.
Oh, okay, you
Flat
get
on your
down
stomach.
You won't fall. Alright, hold on tables on your mark. Get set, go!
No, you didn't. I was by you. I see.
Keep walking, Alex. Cross the weight. Oh, are you ready tonight?
Hang on to those handles. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Go beside me again.
Hold on with both hands. Once you do not go in yet, okay?
You gonna go? Where do you want to go? You want to go there?
I see. Go.
Okay. Go ahead, Eli. Go ahead, Pasta. Here, I'll lay it down for you. Hang on, yep. There you go. Pasta, wait. Eli, let go. Just wait. The boy's gonna stand on top. Hang on.
I got one.
You got that one?
Yep, I got this one.
All right. Thanks, buddy. I'm good. Oh, go ahead.
Lay flat on your stomach. Lay flat on your stomach. Hang on to those handles. On your mark. Get set. Go.
What are you guys doing way back there? Okay, now we're recording. Alex, hold mine for a second. You gonna go with the same numbers again, guys?
For your sake, lie on your stomach on the sled and hold on with both hands.
Alright, I'll do that on the
Slide.
place the mask down, wait for the green.
Alex, put yours in a little bit more, and then you won't get stuck. Okay? No, Alex, put it in more, and then it won't get stuck, honey. A little bit more. Hold the side, Alex. Fishy, put it in more. There you go. Okay, let's go. Eli gotcha. Okay, go ahead, buddy.
Bottom of the slide.
Go ahead, buddy. Get there.
Can I go?
All right, you
Wait,
ready?
Wait till you see a light.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go!
Woo-hoo! Oh yeah. I won. That's fun. I won in second
Oh,
place.
hey, Eli, did the water splash in your face the whole time?
Mom, Dad,
Hey, come here, buddy. Let me turn it off.
can we go again?
Yeah, put it on. Yeah, we. Wait, buddy. Alex, wait.
Have fun on the slope.
I'll hold it for you.
There you go, sweetheart. Are you ready?
Oh, Alex,
All
is
right.
cheating. Oh, you can help me? Okay.
Yep.
Wait, Eli, go lay down, buddy.
There you go. Have fun.
That's cheating. It's not fair.
Eli, you good? Good job. You want to beat you? It's okay, man. Come on.
Cheating. How did I cheat?
You went first.
I cheated because the light was green, so they cheated. Daddy. We asked them, so we I got it. They cheated.
This thing?
Yeah.
Like with the iceberg? Okay, go ahead.